Greetings, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the vibrant world of turmeric and its incredible health benefits when consumed daily. Turmeric, that golden spice renowned for its unique flavor and potent properties, has been celebrated for centuries. Before we explore the amazing advantages of making turmeric a part of your daily routine, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button to stay updated with our health and wellness content. If you've experienced the wonders of turmeric or have questions, share them in the comments below. Now let's dive in. 1. Powerful anti-inflammatory. Let's kick things off with one of turmeric's most acclaimed benefits, its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Regular consumption may help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, joint pain, and even inflammatory skin conditions like psoriasis. By curbing chronic inflammation, turmeric can play a pivotal role in promoting overall health and well-being. 2. Enhanced antioxidant capacity. Turmeric is a rich source of antioxidants that can help combat free radicals, those pesky molecules that can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. These antioxidants, including curcumin, work tirelessly to neutralize free radicals, bolstering your body's defense against oxidative stress. As a result, you can enjoy healthier skin, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and potentially even a slowed aging process. 3. Joint health support. For those seeking joint health support, turmeric can be a game-changer. Its anti-inflammatory properties may ease joint pain and discomfort, making it a valuable addition to your routine. Whether you're dealing with arthritis, joint injuries, or general wear and tear, incorporating turmeric into your diet can contribute to increased mobility and a more comfortable, active life. 4. Digestive wellness. Turmeric aids in digestive wellness in multiple ways. It can help soothe the digestive tract, reduce bloating, and even assist with conditions like indigestion and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Curcumin's ability to stimulate bile production also aids in the digestion of fats. Plus, it promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, supporting a healthy gut microbiome, which is increasingly recognized as crucial for overall well-being. 5. Cognitive function boost. Your brain benefits from turmeric too. Some studies suggest that curcumin can enhance cognitive function and may even help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, turmeric supports optimal cognitive performance, memory retention, and mental clarity as you age. 6. Heart health promotion. Turmeric doesn't just stop at inflammation reduction, it extends its protective embrace to your cardiovascular system. Regular consumption has been linked to improved heart health. It may help lower bad LDL cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and prevent blood clot formation. These effects collectively reduce the risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death worldwide. 7. Diabetes management aid. For individuals with diabetes or those at risk, turmeric can be a valuable ally. Curcumin may help regulate blood sugar levels by enhancing insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. It's a natural way to support diabetes management, but remember to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it complements your treatment plan. 8. Skin radiance and healing. Turmeric's benefits extend to your skin. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can provide relief from skin conditions like acne and eczema. Additionally, turmeric's natural antiseptic qualities make it a go-to remedy for minor cuts and burns. When applied topically, it can help speed up the healing process and minimize scarring. 9. Liver detoxification support. The liver, our body's detox powerhouse, also reaps rewards from turmeric consumption. Curcumin stimulates the production of vital enzymes that aid in detoxification processes. By supporting your liver's health and functionality, turmeric assists in the elimination of toxins from your body, helping you feel more energized and vibrant. 10. Potential cancer prevention. Emerging research suggests that turmeric's curcumin may have a role in cancer prevention. It has demonstrated the ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and block the formation of new blood vessels in tumors. While more research is needed, these early findings are promising and highlight the potential of turmeric in cancer prevention strategies. Conclusion. In conclusion, incorporating turmeric into your daily diet can unlock a treasure trove of health benefits, from reducing inflammation, supporting joint and digestive health, to boosting cognitive function, heart health, and more. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health insights. Your well-being is our priority. Thank you for joining us today. Your support keeps us motivated. If you have personal experiences or insights about the benefits of eating turmeric daily, please share them in the comments. Your wisdom might inspire others to embrace the golden spice. If you would like to learn about the benefits of eating raw garlic daily for 1 month, then watch the video displayed on the screen now. Remember, small changes in your daily routine, like adding turmeric, can lead to significant improvements in your well-being. Stay well, stay informed, and we'll catch you in our next video.